Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Wanted to bring you in here and show you some of the unique furniture and the fabric that we have on this furniture. This is an Ultra Fabrics that is the top of the line fabric that we use, and a unique color that these customers have chosen. What's neat about this Ultra Fabrics, it is highly tested. Over 140,000 rub tests that this goes through. It is very, very soft to the touch. You've got the same kind of fabrics going in your Tesla cars. This is just a beautiful theater seating. It pulls down with the drink holders. And also under here there's a drawer. This is a very nice drawer. It's also soft close. So hey, ask us some questions. These are some options that you have when you do direct-to-consumer business model, which is a factory direct manufacturing company that we are. So ask us about furniture selections, decor selections. You can personalize these things to your liking. So give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.